Go Coach, looking at framing details. Biggest thing to look at here, I want you to see here they have their 2x4 ceiling joists and they nail them. You see 3 nails, 4 nails on the face. 3 nails, 4 nails on the face. But I want you to note on this side, no nails. All right, so technically if you look at those fastener schedule table, you're supposed to have either 2 or 3 nails depending on the member on one side and then opposite side. So again, it's not just one side to pull out. Biggest thing too is framing details is fire blocking, right? Behind your spaces, concealed spaces. Again, 10 foot horizontally, 10 foot vertically. These interstitial spaces, because you go behind the walls, and even though it's concrete behind here in this example, but above here you get into floor systems, what have you. And so again, you want to make sure you're not more than 10 foot compartmentalized spaces and wall cavities. And same thing again on these floor systems. You want to make sure on open web floor systems you're not more than 1,000 square foot before you have a fire block. And a fire block can be a solid eye joist, solid girder, anything solid, or rock wool listed material. So things to be looking for framing.